Now in this video, I would like to show you the logistic of the course. This is important, so I want you to pay attention on this video. First of all, everything in this course will be posted on Canvas. So just go to the home page on Canvas and then you will have everything over there. You have the syllabus over here. Let's take a look on the syllabus first. So this is the 3 credit course. This will be online. This is my office in Holmes Hall 106. Whenever you want to meet with me, feel free to stop by my office or send me an email if you're not sure about if I'm in the office or not. But most of the time, I will just be in the office. Just stop by or email me if you have any question. The main learning objective of this course is to help you to understand the fundamental concept of structure in construction. Throughout this course, you will learn some of the topic. For example, you will review unit conversion started. We will learn about the shear bending moment diagram. We will learn about the deflection, the load and load path in the structure. And then we will discuss some structural failure case such as the FIU pedestrian bridge collapse, the Southside building collapse in Miami. And then we will also do some application to check some of the structure of the building, like checking for the beam, the column as well. The grading for this course, we have 6 components. You're going to have worksheet, 15%. What is a worksheet? If you took the class with me before, worksheet here is very similar to in-class activity. So which means that you will open the worksheet, watch my video, follow my video, and solve for the question in the worksheet. Usually this one is quite easy because the solution will be shown in the video. You just basically follow those steps to have the solution on paper, scan that and submit that on Canvas. The grading for the worksheet is very simple. You're gonna have 3 grades: 0, which means no submission; 3, so which means submission with a loss of error, or some of your answer doesn't make sense. And then you have 5. That is the maximum point for the worksheet, 5/5, which means that you have the submission, but some of the answer of your submission maybe have some minor error. You still get the full credit. So whenever you see the worksheet, just watch the video, do that on a paper, scan the paper, and then submit it, right, to get the full credit. Discussion. I will talk about this one later, but that is around 5 points. Basically, every week you need to pause you need to have 2 pause to achieve the point. The first pause, you will tell me what is the difficulty you have in that week, and then answer a couple of small questions. The second pause is that you will look for the pause of other students and then provide some of the comments, some of the answer for those students. So this one is also easy to get point. So make sure that every week just go to submission, go to discussion, and then submit your pause to pause. The quiz, this one is multiple choice and it's also open note. I will not put the lockdown browser on the quiz. So make sure that every week just watch the video on the worksheet, complete the worksheet, and then you get the ID and then you can start a quiz. The quiz is open note and you can also look up the solution in the worksheet. You can also Google some of the answer if you want to as well. It's open note and multiple choice. Next one is assignment. Assignment, this one I require you to work on paper. So make sure that you need to get a good paper. I require of the requirement I put on the assignment, but generally I want you to write that either in printing paper or engineering paper, but my preference is to write that in printing paper and write that clearly so I can read that. If I cannot read that, I will minus couple points because I assume that the answer is not correct. So make sure that you do that in a good paper and scan that and submit that in PDF. Project, I will talk about this one later, but basically you're gonna have 3 deliverables and you're gonna work in a team. In this course, those deliverables are not complicated, so make sure you check the deadline, check the requirement, gather the team, either on campus or via Zoom to complete that. And then exam, this exam will be closed note, closed book, and this one will be I will assign lockdown browser so you cannot search anything. Okay. I will tell you about this one later when we move to the quiz that have the exam. We're gonna have exam in the quick in the week 5 and week 10. Okay, week 10 we're gonna have only 2 exams. Each of that will be 20%. So the exam is very important because it's account for the high percentage of this course. So make sure that when we have the exam, you need to review and prepare for that. There's no textbook required for this course, but if you still have the textbook from the mechanic course, you can still use that like a recommended reading material, but it's not required. This one is the schedule of this course. You have the date over here, which means the week. We're gonna complete the course in 10 weeks.